What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, just another grind session here at the shop, trying like hell to get this car done. It's been a crazy week. I've had family obligations, kid cheering, gymnastic stuff all week, so it's made it virtually impossible for me to work on the car. But we actually do have progress going on here. The back brakes are basically done. Just got to pretty much assemble those. If you caught the last upload, you saw front brakes, good to go, no worries there. But we did get a few other things done. Actually, Dover got this done. This is the reservoir for the power steering. It is on, good to go, on and popping, up and out of the way. Just, you know, a lot of the little stuff. You can see this side too, but actually had, even after all the parts from last time, still had about another $380 worth of parts to get. I got these locally. These are the fittings for the fuel system. This was pretty much all we're lacking. Of course, we had to have a gauge and just basically a lot of little stuff. But anyway, we're about to grind, so that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay guys, so another vital piece of the puzzle as far as the build goes was, obviously the battery is not going up here. I mean, could it possibly? Yes, but there's no way I'm putting it up here. So we had to move it to the back, and that was one of the, you know, those little details that I forgot. So this is the UPR battery relocation kit. Not much to it really. I mean, it's just basic kit, but it does have your instructions, got your vent tubes, connections, nuts, bolts, threaded rods, hold down, all that. So, and actually, it's a pretty nice box. Get the SOB out of there. It's a nice box. You can basically see that's what it looks like on the outside anyway. But that was another thing we needed, was the battery relocation kit. Of course, there's the lid for it right there. So that is good to go. Yes, there's the 3-inch exhaust. So we've got that. We're gonna take care of that today, and lots more little details. All right, guys. So here we go. Little fuel system plumbing right here. As you can see, all the fittings and everything going together, and the little gauge and all that. So about to actually have some fuel at the motor, and got the little UPR battery box together. I can't even talk today, but yep. So there's the battery box, and I forgot to show you this fancy high-dollar AC line, which they're nice enough to throw me a switch in there too, so I can't complain too much. So yeah, there you go. Making it rain, just making it rain.
I warned you, man.
Oh yeah, you warned me. We're gonna have to have like a coyote swap support group or something, because this is definitely a sickness. In case you guys didn't see, starter's all wired and ready to roll. She's good to go. Alright guys, so we had to run and get some parts, a couple more minor things. Had to get the fuse to go in there, main power fuse. There you go, 150 amp mega. Had to get a little hose bar because we're finishing up the power steering lines. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's dark. Yeah, that's a little better. Finishing up all the power steering lines, getting that all kind of knocked out. I mean, it's just the little stuff right now. My steering shaft did not come in. I've got a Maximum Motorsport steering shaft on the way. Waiting on that, but I mean, really, we're almost there. And you know, it's going to be kind of crazy when we first fire the car, because you're going to be like, oh wow, it's done. Shizzle, no. When we first fire the car, that's when all the other stuff has to get done. That's when we start checking for leaks. That's when we, you know, deal with misfires or maybe a sticking injector. You know, adjust the clutch and bleed the brakes, adjust the brakes. Getting it started while it is a milestone is definitely nothing. You know, it's cool to have that moment. We're going to have that moment right here on the channel, but there's so many other things. You know, I got to get the interior back together. You know, get everything adjusted right. You know, make sure the suspension is doing what it's supposed to do. Go back and test all the bolts. I mean, it's just, this is a really long process, so please don't ever think that just because you get the engine in, or you get the engine started, all these little milestones that we have, that, you know, that's like, okay, we're done. I don't know if this car's ever going to be done, but we're going to have another milestone here real shortly, and I'm really excited. Like, really excited. Guys, I'm gonna have to kind of wrap this one up because again, nothing is happening other than just little small stuff, and just par for the course. Power steering coolers on, the rest of the lines for the hydro boost, the oil filter, we got the fuse in. It's just, you know, it's one of those things, and I kind of knew this was going to happen when we got down to the end. Everybody wanted to see videos and, you know, see how we were doing things and stuff like that, but at the same token, it's not entertaining at all, and it actually kind of sucks to do, because you're just kind of doing little mundane things to finish the car off. But I assure you, the fire video is coming very soon. We have fuel to the engine now. We have power to the engine now, so it's going to be epic. But in the meantime, like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Keep it tuned right here, because we're not going to quit. This one's almost done. Yes.